Salut, bonjour, bonsoir, Kenji Squad. My name is Kathou. Y'all already know by the title, I'm about to do this prank on Gigi. I'm about to tell her I'm about to act wretched. I'm about to, just do something like, girl, what is wrong with you? This, that, she don't know. I normally don't act like this. But since I will be doing this prank, I should put a purple lipstick. I will change the lipstick. I think I'm gonna change the lipstick. I will put like a bright color so she can know, like, tell me what the fuck you wearing, girl. Like, what is wrong with you? Where you think you going? It's not carnival yet. So guys, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe for more videos. If y'all want to see more prank, just comment down below and I will be doing more prank for you guys. Okay, period poo. Now I'm in the bathroom. This is the lipstick. This is how the lipstick look. I don't know, like, and we about to do a live. Let's see what she's gonna say, if she's gonna tell me why I wear this lipstick, or if she's gonna do the live with me. Let's see, guys. Should I keep this one? I think so. I'm gonna keep this lipstick, period. This is how the lipstick look now. I put like 2 color. I mix it with those 2. This is the two lipstick I bought on. I don't even wear them. When I used to be in high school, I bought them, but I don't even wear them. I'm telling you guys. You understand what I'm saying? So right now, y'all better comment down below for more videos and tell me what prank y'all want me to do, okay? Period. This is my original style, so I don't know if I'm doing it right. I'm not, but anyways, just comment down below. Period.
Hello guys, welcome back. It's Gigi. And
but I really need to do this. Let's go. Let's go. I need to do the lips. Let's go. Let's go.
Surprise, motherfucker!
what the fuck is wrong with your
Move. So I can put that thing. Very long thing.
What the fuck is wrong with
So you're not doing a prank, but I'm doing a video. But since we're not doing it in this. And this on period. Like, are we doing the live? Come on, you're doing a video. I wanna do the live.
Cause I'm not gonna do nothing with your mouth like that. Like, got it to buy la
Girl, she's doing a video. She's recording. So let's start a video. What video you wanna do? Start a video. What video you wanna do? Saying what I'm saying.
Hello guys, welcome
Like I'm telling you, just as I'm trying to do the video. Let's go. Let's go on the video.
Oh!
Bro, I swear to God, la family. Let's do the video, show you that. No, that's how I'm gonna do the video. That's how it's supposed to be.
Oh.
God. She don't wanna do the video. We finna do the video. There's some period. Let's do that video, guys. I don't know. I really know what I'm doing, but let me tell y'all. What video you finna do? I forgot, but anyway, let me tell y'all how this girl was finna do a video, but now she don't want to do it since of my lipstick. It's a pink lipstick. What's wrong with that?
I don't mind, but like, oh.
It's already recording. Like, space, girl, space.
No, you cannot use that. I'm not doing it with,
I'm gonna do video.
No.
I'm killing it. Video. That's the video. I don't know how you What video you wanna start? You wanna do the with your
Arranger
water?
bouche ou après ça n'a parlé.
That's how it is. How you want me to fix my lid? Like this? That looks perfect to me. Or like this? It looks perfect, like perfect toe.
Comment je vois?
No, this is how it's gonna be. Period.
But moi, j'aime
I don't want my lips like. I love my lipstick. I love it.
Quand ça moi je vois.
No, this is how it's gonna be. Show y'all. If you wanna do the prank, I'm.
If you wanna do the prank,
Dumb. Huh? Are you dumb? Stupid or dumb? Huh?
I fell, bro. What is the whole point? I did all this, but I fell.
Excusez-moi, on va faire bouche comme ça.
Guys, tell me, I fell. I was doing, tell me I'm back on act ratchet. I don't act ratchet. I can't. But I was trying, you understand what I'm saying? But, y'all know, I fell. Cause she know damn way I wasn't finna do video with this lipstick. I don't wear lipstick.
No, that's why I was like, the
That's
freak.
okay.
And she's recording. I'm like, what the?
She know that. She know that. She already know that. Cause I don't wear lipstick. I wear lip gloss. Period. Clear lip gloss. But anyways,
Yeah, she's the one who's doing my like she's the one who made like who showed me how to do makeup, you know. And now you coming with your mouth like that. You li gon chiclet nok dran li say. What the fuck?
but guys, I did good. I think I did good. I started good. But I failed, guys. I failed. Tell me another prank y'all want me to do, and I will do it. Now it's like a
Okay, so
matte
I'll
lipstick.
retire la bouche on ya.
Now I'm still doing video in a playing. This one, guys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for more videos. But I feel if y'all got something else for me to do, like a prank for me to do, make sure y'all inbox me, DM me, so I can do the prank. That's on period. But at least I got her because she thought I was gonna do the video we had. But since y'all know,
I wasn't
can't
gonna.
stop
You was
laughing.
gonna do. I wasn't gonna do it.
I can't stop laughing. You was gonna do a video with me.
Every
Period.
time, why would you mette chiclet dans un bouche?
Because I was supposed to act wretched. You know, you see what I'm saying? You know, it's on prank. Period. But I tell it with my mouth. I didn't even get to it. So I just, it just
She was like, if we gonna do the prank.
Alright, guys, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more
You're
videos.
funny.
Bye, guys.
Peace out.